Alright, what's up, y'all? So, duck season is well underway. We're 4 weeks into our season here in Oregon. And I have about 20 pounds of breasted out duck and goose meat. I like to do stir fries. I like to do duck and gravy over rice, over taters, all kinds of different recipes. But what I'm going to do today is I got high country snack stick mix, and I got some high mountain man sausage mix, and then I got hog casings and collagen casings that I'm going to use to do the snack sticks. The hog casings I'm going to do brats. We're always out camping for our duck hunting. We go out, we hunt the public land, so you know, we want to be the first ones to get the first blind choice, whatever. So the brats are going to be for cooking at night when we're hungry, and then snack sticks throughout the day, because you can't go wrong with snack sticks. So what I'm going to do, I got to take and slice down all my breasts, and I'm going to add pork belly to it. And I'm going to grind it. I'm going to do a coarse grind first. And then I'm going to do a fine grind to mix my pork in with my duck. So we're going to start doing that. Let me get this stuff out of my way. And we're going to start getting cutting. So I'll probably, and I'm going to cut it down, that way I can find pellets and trim off all the silver skin. And so once I get this all trimmed up and ready to go and start grinding, I'll get back to you guys on the camera here. So another reason that I am slicing meat, because till's pretty small, I run through this KitchenAid grinder pretty easy. But bird hunting, you're shooting with shotguns, so I'm also picking out all the shot that's in the breast and cleaning out all the blood shot throughout the breast that is in there, so I get a much better tasting product, and it's not as rough on the grinder or the teeth. So far I have sliced up about 2 pounds according to the scale. Looking like that, duck, getting the silver skin trimmed off, excess fat, skin, just cleaning up. So I'll check back in when I get more done. This bowl, right here, I haven't ground it yet. Just trimmed up all the meat, got my pork in there. But this bowl is 10 pounds of meat. The one right here on the scale, I got 3 pounds of meat between duck and pork, and I ran out of big bowls, but once again another 10 pounds of duck and pork. So pulled out quite a few pellets out of the breast. I need to figure out which one of the guys is shooting some small shot. It looks like there's some like 4 shot in these birds, and I didn't think any of us shot anything under 3. But we'll see. So now I'm gonna sit here and grind. It took me a better part of an hour to trim up all this meat and get it all situated so it's nice and clean. I'm gonna have a good product. But like I said, I'm gonna start grinding now, and I'll check back in a little bit. Alright, y'all, so we got the grinder all set up. I'm going to start grinding this stuff all together. It balls out. Start getting everything all nice and ground into it. sausage. Oh, this pork really doesn't want to dry that great. So. Stay tuned. Alright, back at it again. It's been about an hour. I just finished the first grind. This is more of a project than I thought I was taking on. I had used this grinder instead of my actual meat grinder, would have been faster. But it's still getting it done. So I'm going to do the second grind. Here's 3 pounds. All coarse ground. Now I'm going to do a fine grind and mix everything all together all nice like, and then put on, then once I'm done with that, I'll get back to you guys as I'm measuring up seasonings and seasoning everything up. Alright y'all, 45 minutes later now, finally got all 23 pounds ground up. The directions I read, for every 10 pounds is 1 packet of seasoning. So I'm going to throw that in here. This is the brats I'm making. I'm going to mix all this together. Mix all that up together. And then I'm going to split it into a 5 pound batch. Because I'm going to put 2 cheddar brats in one and pepper jack brats in the other. So just gonna sit here and mix up this meat. Make sure everything's all nice and yummy. It's the right consistency it's supposed to be from watching videos of people making this and stuff. So got this going, and mix all this up, make sure all the seasoning gets into the meat. So it's going to taste all nice and yummy. And we'll have good dinners while we're out there waiting for the next day to go hunt. Okay, I will say, if you're going to do this yourself, do a small batch. I kind of got ahead of myself. Thinking I was going to do a big batch. So, once I get this all mixed up and separated out, I'll show you the final product. Perfect, y'all. So, 20 minutes later, I got 5 pounds of cheddar brats. I mixed cheddar cheese into these, and I got 5 pounds of pepper jack brats that I'm going to do up, and then 13 pounds of pepperoni sticks. So that's all I'm doing tonight. All the directions say to let it marinate overnight in the fridge. So probably tomorrow afternoonish I'll get back, get the sausage stuffer out, and show you guys how to get that set up and ready to rock and roll. So, see you tomorrow. What is up? So, next day, my meat's marinated all night in the seasonings. I'm going to do cheddar brats. I got a 5 pound stuffer. I stripped my hog casings onto the stuffer. I'm going to fill that up, and we're about to see how good this goes. This should take all of my meat, since it is a 5 pound stuffer. So load the cannons, boys. Smells good. Full 5 pounds. I'm gonna have a little bit left over. So, set this up the way. Cap screwed on here. Cap screwed on and yeah. Yeah, 1 second. Start twisting. See how this works. Get all the air pushed out of here. Oh. Y'all, I think I messed up. So we're gonna cut my knot off here. Now I'll retie another knot in the end. There we go. This might be a 2-man job here. Okay, so I don't have any more air in my line. And we'll tie this off. Maybe. Probably got people saying I'm doing this wrong. Okay. This is my first time making brats. I watched YouTube videos. And that's what I'm going off of. What I saw in a YouTube video. So, if there's better ways, leave it in the comments. Help me out here. I'm willing to try anything. Maybe if I would have used the artificial casings, would have been better. But like I said, this is my first time. I think it's turning out pretty good. It's working pretty decent. I think. So, I'm going to finish this and then get back to you. So guys, I got it working pretty smooth now. I got, I don't know, 2, 3, 4, 5, working on the 6th one. I'm just fine and slow and steady. They're doing pretty good. I don't know how much actual hog casing I have left. Might have enough to finish this one and do one more, and then I gotta strip on some more. When I do that, I'll load up the rest of the meat into this. They're not all symmetrical, so some are short fat, some are long skinny. Kind of like me, short and fat. So it looks like I'm gonna get 2, 7 out of this probably 5 feet of hog casing I put on here. But like I said, I'm not 100% sure yet. We shall see. Then I'll strip on some more hog casing and load this thing back up and go for Dickie again. Well, it's working pretty good. Things are going to be awful tasty. I can't wait to eat them. So, alright, I'm hitting the end of this one. So we'll back off on the pressure. And boom. I didn't leave myself enough room to tie here. Need some skinnier fingers. But not bad for my first run at it. I'm gonna finish her off and cook some up. Sweet. Alright, y'all. So, this took me quite a while. Not gonna lie. I didn't want to bore you with all the trials, and I found out the quickest way to strip on that sausage casing is put the bowl right in front of my stuffer and then just, you know, that worked pretty good. I ended up with, out of 20 pounds of meat, I ended up with 16, 32, 40 kielbasa's, or brats, sorry. Actually, I had a little more. I cooked some up for a taste test. Even cold, amazing. But anyway, that was going to be everything. Vacuum packed them, throw them in the freezer, and next time I head out duck hunting, I'll grab a couple packages, throw in for the boys. Till next time.